Guys, we have a announcement today. So the announcement today. On the 2-year anniversary of ABS-CBN Ball 2025 on April 4, 2027, the second year anniversary of ABS-CBN Ball 2025 on April 4, 2027 is what we're gonna play some songs on my playlist on the YouTube, by the way, on my cell phones and my 2 tablets, by the way. Is songs I heard the songs of Make Blankenship, Kill Devil Hill, and Eminent due to ABS-CBN Ball 2025 Part 2. Find it on my playlist, by the way. And we're gonna play it on the 2-year anniversary of ABS-CBN Ball we're gonna play it on the 2-year anniversary of ABS-CBN Ball 2025 on April 4, 2027. And last week, ABS-CBN Ball in last Black Saturday, April 4, ABS-CBN celebrating the 1 year of ABS-CBN Ball. So thank you, by the way, guys. Don't forget to watch ABS-CBN. Don't forget to watch the full video of ABS-CBN Ball 2025 Red Carpet, the full video of ABS-CBN Ball 2025 on YouTube, by the way. Thank you.